So I just got this blow up right here, and this is gonna be Santa Claus with an elf hanging on the side of a helicopter. I am gonna unbox this, and we're gonna set this up and see what it looks like. All right, so this just set up and it looks crazy. This is the helicopter with Santa, and we have an elf hanging on the back. Guys, the best part is the top of this helicopter actually spins. This is crazy. I love the detail in Santa's goggles here. It's just so cool. This also is gonna come with stakes too, so you can't stake this to the ground. We got straps on the side right here, so you can actually stake this on both sides. So on this side over here, you can stake this down a couple different ways. We got just one right here because it's just leaning to the right, so it's no big deal, but we also have a strap up here. Take a look at how amazing this is. This is one of the coolest blow-ups that I've seen, actually really big as well. And this even has LED lights for night. I also love how the Merry Christmas is written on the side. Let's check out some of this detail of this elf. He's actually holding a gift in his hand and a candy cane with a scared face because he's hanging on for the ride. Maybe his clothes got caught on. Maybe he jumped on because he thought Santa was actually forgetting a present to deliver for Christmas. But either way, it's a cute addition to the side of this. And we even got the propeller in the rear. I like how this is all weatherproof, and it actually will be good in the rain, snow, and it's just a very durable piece. Over 6 feet long, and after I'm all done, I was able to roll this back up to about the same exact size that it came in the box, so that's gonna be perfect if you wanna store this for next year. It's gonna take up little to no room. Brings tons of joy to your house for Christmas. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.